Hi everyone, welcome back to Cincy Beauty. So, my model today, she has beautiful exotic skin that makes me want to turn it into a beautiful western girl with her exotic skin. I started by sewing her eyes. By the way, this is just the name of the technique. I did not do the actual sewing in her eyes. If you want to know how I do this, let me know in the comments below. Next, make eyebrows. I use drawing eyebrows from Etude House in the shade dark gray color. I just follow her natural eyebrows and make it slightly curved and strong. Then, I use concealer to tidy up her brows. Next, I always apply the eyeshadow base to my client eyelids before applying eyeshadow, to make the eyeshadow easier to apply to the eyelids. After that, I choose this color base from my Huda Beauty palette for the base. And I have finished making the right side, so let's finish the other side. By the way, I'm really sorry, my hair just covered the camera, so you make me not be able to see clearly how I made my eyeshadow. I'm sorry. I promise I will try to make the better tutorial for you guys next time. I'm sorry. Then, I make a wing liner using Maybelline Hyper Impact Eyeliner. Last, place your favorite lashes at the end. To make her pores smaller, I apply the Pore Professional from Benefit Cosmetics. And don't forget to apply makeup base too. After the base of my facial skin, I apply my Dior foundation. I like to use my finger first to make sure the foundation absorbs perfectly on the skin of the face. Next, I contour my model's face. After that, I apply powder to my client under eye first to make sure the lower eye is not cracked. Then, I apply liquid blush to make the blush last longer. Now, I apply on compact powder all over her face. For outer contours, I use Mini Hola from Benefit Cosmetics. Then, for blush, I use Milani in the shade Luminoso. Highlight your model's or client's face using your favorite highlighter. For lip base, I use lip balm from Nivea. Then, I apply L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Gloss number 318 in the shade Bare Attraction. I add more lip cream from Makeover number 15 in the shade Coquette. Last but not least, I spray my model's face using Urban Decay All Nighter Face Setting Spray. And last, don't forget to give liquid and powder highlighter to your client's shoulders too. Now it's done!